Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into one of the most entertaining ways to use AI tools like ChatGPT, transforming your pets into an epic royal or a fearless superhero with the use of the image generation tools that is updated that way from ChatGPT itself. So we're going to show you how to bring our pets' alter egos to life. So don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips, just so you can create your own fictional characters made out of your pets. I mean, not literally, but like the image of that. So let's get into it right now. Okay, so we want ChatGPT to help us build like a rich imaginative backstory. Just think of it like writing the origin story for a Marvel hero, or the royal scroll of a fantasy saga. So this isn't just about slapping a cape or crown on them. We're creating a legend, our fantasy, like in our imagination, and we're gonna have ChatGPT guide us out right here. Okay, so let me put my prompt right here. Okay, so I want ChatGPT to like create a whimsical and detailed backstory of a royal version of my cat Luna. For instance, okay, she is a gray tabby and with bright green eyes, quiet demeanor, love for sunbathing, and chasing shadows. Make her mysterious and wise queen of a hidden forest realm. All right, there we go. Power, animal council, and all. Yep, and yep, that's a lot of yeps that I just said. But anyways, there we go. All the details from the prompt right here, just to help out ChatGPT create that imaginative backstory for the hero or any fantasy figure version of my pet. Um, yep, for instance, example, Luna the cat. All right, let's send this off right now just to give ChatGPT more information, and ChatGPT would give us like more and more like suggested background information. And yep, there we go. And her name is the Radiant Majesty Queen Lunara of the Moonshade Glade. Now here, the backstory right here, origins, Council of Crescent Grove. There we go, Sir Bram's Wicker, right there. Okay, and then down here, mythical artifact. Okay, added backstory element here. Another one right here, life in the glade. As you'll see here, it's currently generating. Okay, and there's the ending one. Sweet. There we go. Fully detailed backstory with each of the sections that could help out with knowing more of our fantasy imaginative characters of our pets. So yeah, this is actually quite a good way to start off and giving off like more information from ChatGPT to create the image of version of our pet. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, so now we have our fictional figure of our pet with their backstory and all. All right, so let's go generate the image, of course, mainly the help of ChatGPT, that is. So why don't we also include like the design look itself through our prompt? All right, let's put this here. Okay, before that, why don't you click this one? There we go. And here is my prompt. Boom. Okay. Now let me help you out. Okay, let me. There we go. And here it is. Mainly the second part is what the the bits of the details would look like, and here's the main instruction of the overall prompt itself. Like I would ask ChatGPT, asking for, okay, I almost forgot, uploaded image of my gray tabby cat Luna with green eyes. Hold on. Okay, let me click this one. If you want to add a photo, again, there we go. Upload from computer. Boom. Let me just whip out a photo of my cat. There we go. Okay, just load it right here. There we go. This is, for example, photo of my cat. Again, for example. All right, main prompt. Okay, second one. There we go. The bits of details in that photo itself and how the cat should look like in fictionalized version. Okay, additional prompts like detailed digital art, painterly fantasy aesthetic, and also optional right here. Could incorporate the backstory elements you created earlier. All right, so let's send this off right about now. Okay, as you can see, it's getting started. It's loaded up. I mean, it is loading up. So why don't you be patient right here? Okay, it's getting started, and boom. All right, so while waiting, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. All right. Okay. As you can see right here, it is starting to load up. It is rolling down with every bits and quarters of the image that we're going for. All right. There we go. Just be patient. Oh, there we go. There's our cat, for instance, the tabby cat and the green eyes. Alrighty. Oh, would you look at that? There's the pendant over there. There's the cloak and the headpiece here and the background in dark forest. Oh, wow! Look at this overall. It's actually looking pretty good. I'm quite impressed. See? And as you'll see, here's the before. Here's the fictionalized version. Would you look at that? It's really, really good. Okay. And that is it for today. It's actually really simple. If you create your own pet, a superhero or royal, just leave it down below in the comments if you ever tried this. We'd love to see it. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.